How to delete chats in Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete chats in Tinder, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete chats in Tinder, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Tinder application and you will see this type of interface. So come to the messaging tab where you have a number of chats. Now I don't have any chats because this is just a demo account. So select that particular chat that you want to delete, right? And from the top right hand side of the chat, you'll find the three dots option. Tap on the three dots toggle there, then tap on delete message. And as you do that, all the chats will get successfully deleted and it cannot be restored. So you want to keep that in mind. This way you should be able to delete chats in Tinder. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.